Made in Chesterfield is important to our town because it helps bring young people into the manufacturing industries around Chesterfield. Our own company suffers from skill shortages and we need to find young people and engage with them and make them understand the importance of getting into manufacturing and helping the local economy.
I think for a school and for a collection of schools around Chesterfield, North East Derbyshire, Staveley, in that area, it's really important that we have that connection between school and business and the world of work. And you know, when you're in a school setting, it's always quite difficult to connect the learning that children are doing to the world of work and what is waiting for those students moving forwards. And Made in Chesterfield is a tried and tested, fantastic way to give exposure to our children of those businesses and those individuals who are there waiting for our next employees of the future.
I would just say get involved. Biggest thing for us, well, one of the biggest things is that it's free. You know, the visits are free and employers are opening up their, their boardrooms and their factories and welcoming us in. You know, it also raises aspirations. A few of the employers we've been to have talked about how they offer apprenticeships for young people, how they can get involved. You know, young people that we saw in the workplace have come straight from school. So, you know, having those real life experiences, raising aspirations, you know, and ensuring our young people have an understanding of what the real world is all about.
I'd urge all manufacturing companies in Chesterfield to get involved with Made. This may help you find young people, engage with schools and colleges, and you never know, you might find the next people who will be in your workforce.